All right, we'll do some more factoring practice. Say we've got something like 9x squared y plus 24. Do I want to do 24? No, 24 is crazy. Let's do 27xy plus, what makes me happy? 18 makes me happy. Xy squared. Okay, well, let's just make that x period. I'm being clever. Okay, so we have this thing and we want to factor it out. So the fancy pants, I'm going to show all my steps. Way to do it is to find the GCF of each term. Okay, so 9xy, x squared y, has a 3, and a 3, and an x, and an x, and a y. 27xy has, remember 27 is 3 cubed, right? So I have 3 3's. I have this one, and this extra one that doesn't line up, and then an x, and then a y. I'm lining things up where I can. My last term has 18xy. Remember, 18 is 9 times 2, or 3 squared times 2. So 18xy is 2 3's, a 2, and, oh, that's just 18x. Two 3's, a 2, and an x. Okay, so if I want to find what my GCF is, I pull these down. So my GCF is all these things multiplied together. So my GCF is going to be 9x. All right, so that means I can factor a 9x out of that whole expression, and everybody will be just totally happy with that. So let's try that out. We're going to pull a 3. No, not a 3. We're going to pull a 9. We're going to pull a 9x even out of 9x squared y plus 27xy plus 18x. And we're a little close. We talked about how if you want to show all your work kind of where all this comes from, you can divide each term by whatever you're factoring out. And that's actually how it all ends up working out. So we're going to divide each term, or each term by what we factored out. So we end up with that 9x on the outside. And on the inside, we can see, okay, well, I have these 9's cancel out, and this x and this x squared are going to become xy, because the x cancels out that x squared, one of the x's. Then the 27 and the 9, that becomes 3, and then the x's cancel. So that gives us 3y. And then here, the x's cancel, and then the 18 and the 9 become a 2. All right, so that's what we factored out. So we have that 9x squared y plus 27xy plus 18x is equal to 9x times xy plus 3y plus 2. And if we want to check, we can by factoring it out, or keep saying that, by distributing it. So we got xy plus 3y plus 2, and I'm going to, and so 9x times x is x squared y, plus 9 times 3 is 27, x and y, plus 9x times 2 is 18x. And this is the same thing that we had right here. So that means we did it right again, and we are super duper awesome.